Hello everyone, I am your friend Ritu Kaushal. Namaskar. May you all have a wonderful day and life. The heart chakra is the bridge between the lower chakras and upper chakras. So, very clear after this line that I am going to talk about heart chakra and anahat chakra. Lower chakras belongs to materiality and upper chakras belongs to spirituality. So this chakra has a great value in human life. As the name suggests, this chakra can influence our ability to give and receive. Give and receive anything, especially love from others and ourselves. Someone with a blocked heart chakra will have difficulty fully opening up to the people in their life. If someone's heart is open, they can experience deep compassion and love, as so empathy. This fourth chakra is the seat of balance within the body, characterized by emotions of love, attachment, compassion, trust, and passion. When Anahata chakra is out of balance, a person might deal with emotional issues like anger, lack of trust, anxiety, jealousy, fear, and moodiness. By harmonizing this chakra, you might feel compassionate, optimistic, friendly, motivated, understanding, and caring. On physical level, those people have heart disease, blocked problems, so these all comes after the weakness of heart chakra. Location of this chakra is center of chest, just above the heart. What it controls: love, joy, and inner peace, and habit to giving others unconditionally. Affirmation is: when I love myself, loving others comes easily. Color is green and pink. Element is air. Stone is rose quartz, aventurine, green agate, and bloodstone. It develops in the age of 21 to 28 years old. If we see, this age has a great value in human life. Whatever we achieve, we start achieving these all things from the age of 21, and between 28 it takes a proper shape. Love, marriage, job, career, business goal, ambitions, these all belongs to this time period. Hardly even the people those choose to go in spirituality, they too find the path in these age, maximum cases. Another thing is this: those have physically problems related to heart chakra. As I told earlier, it is like heart problems. So these people actually have a poor or blocked heart chakra. Problems begins to the emotional body and it reflects in your physical body. So if your heart chakra is blocked, so definitely your physical heart start showing the difficulties. To open up your heart chakra, start loving unconditionally, having faith in God. That too is a sign of strong heart chakra. When we stop expectations from others, automatically we start healing our heart chakra. These are simple ways and habits to create a wonderful energy in the heart center. Also, I suggest those people are cruel towards animals, they automatically receive the blocking energies for heart. Definitely you will see those people are not compassionate for animals or the people those are poorer or weaker than them. So these people automatically generate an energy which blocks their heart chakra. So to keep your heart chakra strong, please start loving unconditionally. Be compassionate for the people those are weak before you. One more thing I want to share here: please do pranayam for your heart chakra. As you do pranayam, it opens an inner channel for healing inside you. That healing energy automatically opens your blocked emotions. If you see someone just said it is going to be happen in a nice way, or if someone just make a wish and God suddenly approved that, so believe that person has a very strong heart chakra and a very compassionate heart, no matter in this birth or in his past birth. But that person once in his life enjoyed the energy of active heart chakra. With this, I want to tell you, please write me your queries about chakras, about anything, and for professional services. I am always happy to see your emails. And yes, I am receiving emails and comments by you in my personal windows, and this is a wonderful encouragement for me. For today, I am stopping this video. Your friend Ritu Kaushal is always thinking good for you with love and a loving heart. Thank you very much. Namaskar.